Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I've got an unboxing for you. I have an unboxing. I did something that I told myself I wasn't going to get involved with, and that's destash groups. I've seen a lot of people get scammed. I've seen a lot of people get fooled. I've seen products, people order things and it's not what it was supposed to be, or it's missing drills, or, well, I took a chance. I had just, as you know, I had my ID stolen. So I've opened up a financial way so that I can purchase destash items. Well, I did it. I wanted to test it out. So hubby told me to find something and test it out. You don't have to tell me twice to find some diamond art and purchase it. Nope, no problem. I did it. I found an awesome seller. Her name was Mallory. Hold on, I want to get her name right because she's an awesome seller. Very patient, very kind. Helped me through the whole process. Mallory Drake. Mallory Drake was selling some diamond art because she has a toddler and it's just hard to do diamond art when you have a small child, and I get it. I get it. I've been there. My kids are 37 and 35, so I've been there, done that, tried to do the puzzle, didn't work. So I've been wanting a mystery. I love the mysteries, but I don't like horror and dark images. So the older mystery canvases, the question mark are all darks. Well, I messaged her and asked her if the image was dark or if it was a horror image, and she's like, no, this is underwater. It is classified as Nature and Ocean by Rafael Trujillo. It's a 35.4 by a 25.6. Yeah, it's big. It's big. And this is mystery number 31. And the box doesn't even tell you how many colors, so we're going to find all that out together. So, okay, this is a mystery. So if you don't want any other information about this mystery, you need to go bye-bye. Because this whole video is going to be about this mystery kit. And I'm going to reveal the color of the drills, the canvas, but I'm not going to show you the actual picture of the canvas because I don't know. I just know it's underwater. So if you don't want to watch the rest, it's okay. I understand. I do have more videos for you to watch. If this is the Pampered with Diamond time on your YouTube adventure, please click on to another video. I'm not going to be mad. All right, here we go. I'm so excited. Oh, okay, this is an older kit. So I did get my little sticker. I actually like the little stickers. How many people like the little stickers and like miss them? I didn't get a lot of canvases with the sticker, so. Ooh. It has a lot. Oh, I'm sorry. You guys can't see. Look. It's a lot of colors. There's an AB yellow in here, an AB white, an AB orange. Oh my goodness, an AB blue. This thing's going to shine, guys. It's going to shine. But you know me. I'll probably, everybody say it, I'm going to bling it up. You know I will. Okay, this has 76 colors. 76. Here's one sheet, two sheets, two sheets, two sheets, two sheets. I'm not going any further. Yes, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, and I don't see any fairy dust. Dun, dun, dun. You know what that means. No fairy dust? Yes, there'll be fairy dust. But this is going to be really tough. How do I replace the fairy dust when I don't know what I'm replacing? Well, that's okay, because that's part of the fun for me. All right, and look, this has a thank you for your purchase, which gives you some tips and tricks, and some information on the VIP group, which buying something from the destash does not get you a ticket to the VIP. Just throwing that out there. Okay. And honestly, I'm not good at telling what the image is by looking at the canvas. I just know I'm going to have fun. I'm going to have a lot of fun, guys. So apparently, this looks like 2 or 3 different colors in here. A lot of color blocking. And a lot of confetti down here. Confetti is where you're going to be changing out your colors frequently. You're not going to work at a one tray for a long time. You're not going to really be able to use your multiplacer. Unless you're one of those people that can use your multiplacer and load it up with 6 and do 3 there, 2 there, 1 there. I'm not that person. If you are that person, seriously, this is not meant to be a smart ass or anything, but kudos, because I'm trying to learn it, and I will take any pointers that you can give me, because I can't do it. So I just do a lot of single placing, and I will use the multi-place, and I'll use it in here. And in these lines, I will be using the multi-placer. But any tips you can give this old girl, be great. So this is big. That's all I can say. Oh, this kind of looks like a turtle, but I don't know if it is or not. I really don't know, guys. And don't tell me, because I like to be surprised. I love to work on these mysteries, but I don't want to see the image before I put it down. I want to watch it come to life. So I did verify that it was colorful. This does not have the perforated paper. I hate that. I really like the perforated paper. So what I'm going to do when I start it, it is a square canvas. So I did want to start at the middle and go out, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm just going to start. It's probably going to live on my table, and I'll probably just start from the bottom. I'll cut a line and put paper all the way across and work that whole line, and then cut another line and put more paper all the way across. So this canvas is number 31. Wow. Let's see. Wondering if there's a date when it came out. Probably on the website, but I don't know. If anyone knows what date this canvas came out, It's number 31. It's Nature and Ocean. It is by Rafael Trujillo. I apologize, Mr. Rafael, if I messed your name up, if you're even listening to this. But yeah. So let me know what date this came out, because I know at Diamond Art Club, once they sell out of these, sometimes you can't even find the images anymore on the website. So, oh, these colors. Amazing colors. So, you know, I normally do inventory. But being this is from a destash, I don't think it's really going to matter if any of them are missing at this point, because Diamond Art Club's just going to be like, I hate it for you. You got it on a destash. I do have a stash of drills. And I have used Diamond Art Club drills on Diamond Dot canvases. I've used Diamond Dot drills on budget-friendly canvases. I've used Dreamer Design drills on Diamond Dots. People say they're not the same size, and they might not be, but they work out well. They do fine. So I have a lot of drills. I have more round drills than I do squares. But by the time I do this canvas, which honestly, guys, will probably be next year, I may have a substantial stash at that point of square drills for Diamond Art Club. So I'm going to look for the ABs. Oh my gosh, these are pretty. This is heavy. It's like a sub. How many of you have gotten a hero at like a deli and gotten a sandwich, like a foot long? This reminds me of a sub. Look at the colors. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. How many whips is too much? Like purple diamond painting, or purple pants diamond painting. I can't remember your proper title. She had a lot of whips. I think hers was like 50 something. That's overwhelming for me. And I do keep whips. Although right at the moment I only have, okay, I hope you're sitting down, guys. I only have 3. One will be the August Diamond Art Club calendar, the month of August. One is the August of the Randal Spangler, Counting with the Draglings. And I'm doing a dog painting by Make Market. That's it. That's like all I have going on right now. As of August 1st, I will be adding Dolphins by Diamond Art Club. So I'll have 4. And then I'm going to be adding, for the month of August, a fall canvas. It might be a Diamond Dots one, because they're partials and they're quick finishes for me. And I want to participate in the Crafty Witch UK's Harvest event for August. She's part of Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. Go take a look at her and see what you got to do to participate in that. This would be good for our Dolphins event because it is water, ocean themed. But I can't have 2 humongous ones going at the same time. So I have to put this one away. Look at the colors. See? That's an AB. This one's an AB. I'm going to bring you down a little bit. That's an AB. These are an AB. A lot of those. Here's a blue AB. So that's 3. There's supposed to be 4. There it is. And there's one right there. Now, there's no fairy dust, but I can probably, I will have to pull out my square fairy dust drills, which I've gotten a lot from the Mini Dazzles, and I will replace some. Like if I have green, I'm going to look where I'm doing the green and just probably replace all of those as fairy dust. I hope that method works. I'm not going to scatter them all over the place. I'm going to try to keep them. If in this square there's a couple of greens, all greens, and I can see the image is going to continue here, I'll put more green there. But I'll discuss that more when we get to that point in the process. But, oh, guys, I'm so excited. Look. Ooh, that's going to be water, I bet. Those are going to be watercolors, or maybe the blues. A lot of blues. And there's not a lot of blacks in here. Let's see, is 310 in here? Yep, there is 310. So here it is. 1, 2, 3. 3 bags of 310. That is it. What about 939? No 939? None. Wow. Oh, this is going to be very pretty. Thank you, Mallory, so much for taking a chance on me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I love it. I can't wait. Ah, I just want to do this one as well. But I don't know, guys. Look, look. Can I get it back in? Can I get it back in? I did. Nature and Ocean Mystery 31. Tell me in the comments when this came out. Okay, guys, short and sweet and to the point. I appreciate each and every one of you. Like and subscribe if you have not already. And I hope you're all having fun with our dolphin event. I hope you're participating in our dolphin event. I don't think it's started yet. By the time this video comes out, it may not have started yet. So I hope you're ready to go. And if it did come out after the dolphin event, I hope you're having a good time. So that is all that I have for you at this moment. And remember to be kind to everyone you meet.